The replacement kit includes all necessary components to rearm the Lifebuoy system after activation or expiry. Secure the Lifebuoy during the replacement phase. Remove the ERU, use an 8mm fixed spanner. Discard the used ERU in an environmentally approved manner. Make sure that the new ERU is correctly marked before installation. Mount the new ERU. Do not tighten too hard. Loosen the locking nut on the release arm and remove the old release cord. Mount the new release cord. The ends of the release cord can be locked during installation by pulling the cord ends into the V slot. Make sure that the projecting section of cord is 20 cm in length and that the cord is firmly locked by the washer before you tighten the locking nut again. Put a Lifebuoy 2/3 of the way into the GRP holder and then secure it for the installation phase. Use the supplied thin white pilot line to pull the release cord through the ERU unit. Make sure that the Lifebuoy line is not on the outer side of the release cord. This might entangle the Lifebuoy when it's activated. Secure the release cord with the manual safety pin. Connect the ERU cable to the connector box. The system is now ready for use. The ERU shall be changed after 2 years of service.